Not gonna lie to you, it's probably about minus 33, 35 degrees. This Jeep has been sitting all week, not plugged in. I don't even think she'll even start. I'll actually be very surprised if it even cranks over. Holy crap! Taking a while to get that oil pressure up. Well, I'm gonna say I'm actually pretty impressed that it started up. It's been, like I said, it's been sitting outside facing the north for like the past week with the wind just blowing on it, freezing it up. Honestly, did not think it was gonna start. I'm really impressed. This thing's a trooper, man. LS swap for the win. See you guys later.